This is a device with an ultrasonic sensor that activates on movement and sprays water. And this is my cat thinking that he can outrun the speed of sound 1 second before he gets sprayed with water. But let's go back in time to see how it all started. We have a cat. He's a rescue and we love him very much. But there is just one little problem. Every time we leave our house, the cat goes downstairs to use stairs as a toilet. The smell is horrible. We became that couple whose friends when coming over are holding their breath not to choke, and the hosts go, "Isn't it just great that we don't have a smell at all?" We tried to cover the entrance with a toilet door, but even though he didn't do it on the video, he quickly learned how to open it. Then we installed an improvised lock on the door, but when he tore it away with a piece of the wall, I realized that it's time to really get serious. The idea behind is very simple. When cat passes by too close, sensor is activated and device plays alarming sound. Then servo pushes the piston and water is sprayed. Why sound, you ask? Sound is meant to create conditioned reflex and make him learn faster, just like with Pavlov's dog. Well, it's time to build. First, I drafted circuit and tested it. Then I designed mechanism and the body of the device. Turned out quite nicely, like a vase of a kind. Then I printed and tested mechanism to see if the servo is strong enough, which, as you can see, it was. Next step is to solder everything together. It is essential to test everything after every step, so once soldering was done, I assembled the device and tested it again. Here is how the whole thing looks assembled. It is time for the device to fulfill its purpose. After a few failed attempts to access the stairs, the cat became quite suspicious of us sneaking around with cameras, so we decided to leave him alone and see if he will give it another shot. First 10 minutes he was desperately meowing, but then it seems that he decided not to push it and went to the toilet like a normal cat.
If you wanna buy our patented Repeller Cat 3000, call us now, the offer is limited.